Welcome to this exquisite custom home with an artistic elegance, all on 5 private acres. The gated entrance leads you to your own peaceful oasis, complete with a huge custom shop. This multi-level home with elaborate splashes of artistic inspiration offers unique angles and custom touches throughout. The living and dining room share a double-sided stone wood-burning fireplace on 2 separate levels. On the main floor, the kitchen is thoughtfully designed with black granite leather finished countertops and a curved island that looks out over the property through the vast bank of windows. Enjoy mounted views from the family room with access to the patio. You'll also find 2 bedrooms on this main level and a full and half bath. The circular staircase leads you to the generous vaulted primary suite with a sewing room or small office and a cozy enclosed sun porch. The ensuite bath has double sinks, a soaking tub, shower, and skylights, plus a walk-in closet. The sunlit stairway leads to the amazing expansive office or art room on the top floor with 300-degree views. You'll also enjoy surround sound inside and out. Enjoy multiple spaces for entertaining or just relaxing and taking in the serene setting and mounted views. The cement RV pad has full hookups to water, electrical, and septic. The custom shop can house a 45-foot motor coach with room for pullouts and has 2 oversized bays, plus a custom bar ready for hosting your next event with a 4-keg fridge and taps, TV, and Wi-Fi, a full bath, utility room, and a loft. A rare opportunity to enjoy the best in Northwest living. You'll find it all here on Lad Hill Road, and it's ready for you to call home. For more information or to schedule your own personal tour, please contact Shelly Rath with Premier Property Group.